Rolando Romero is an American professional boxer. He has held the World Boxing Association welterweight title since May 2025. Previously, he held the WBA interim lightweight title from 2020 to 2021 and the WBA super lightweight title from 2023 to 2024. Previously, he held the WBA interim lightweight title from 2020 to 2021 and the WBA super lightweight title from 2023 to 2024. Romero fought Ryan Garcia for the vacant WBA regular welterweight title in Times Square in New York on May 2, 2025. He won by unanimous decision. He is of Cuban descent. His father was an amateur boxer in Cuba and his sister Angelica achieved 7 national titles before retiring at 22. Initially, Romero practiced judo from the age of 9 to 17. Inspired by the 2012 London Olympics, he transitioned to boxing at 17, training at Johnny Toco's gym in Las Vegas. His aggressive style and knockout power quickly garnered attention, leading to his discovery by Floyd Mayweather, who became his promoter. Romero began his professional boxing career in 2016. He held the WBA interim lightweight title from 2020 to 2021 and the WBA super lightweight title from 2023 to 2024. As of July 2025, his professional record stands at 17 wins, 13 by knockout and 2 losses. Romero overcame a speech impediment that affected him until age 11, later becoming known for his outspoken nature and confidence in the boxing world. He embraces his role as boxing's heel, often engaging in brash trash talk and controversial statements, which he believes adds to his persona and marketability. Romero is recognized for his aggressive, power-punching style and unorthodox technique. He has expressed a willingness to take risks in the ring, stating, "I don't feel anything if my opponent dies in a fight with me." On March 30, 2024 at T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas, Romero was scheduled to make the first defense of his WBA light welterweight title against Isaac Cruz. Badly battered by the later rounds and failing to mount an effective defense, Romero lost the fight and the title by TKO after the referee jumped in to stop the fight at the 0.56 mark of round 8. On February 8, 2023, it was reported that Romero would move up to light welterweight to challenge the WBA champion Alberto Puello. The championship bout was expected to take place on May 13, 2023 in the main event of a Showtime broadcast card. Puello was pulled from the fight on April 19 after testing positive for a performance-enhancing substance and was replaced by Ismael Barroso, who faced Romero for the vacant championship. Romero won the fight by a controversial 9th round technical knockout. Barroso was ahead on all 3 of the judges' scorecards at the time of the stoppage and handout landed Romero in both total and power punches.